So, yan, no? Nagbabalik, no? So, ang topic naman natin ngayon is graphs of sine and cosine, no? So, mindadali na lang natin yan is, no? So, examples, no? Find the period and amplitude of y is equals to 5/2 cosine and x over 4, no? So, yung magiging solution natin dyan is, no, compare the functions, no? Y is equals to 5/2 cosine and x over 4, and y is equals cosine bx to find a and b, no? So, yung magiging amplitude natin dyan is yung a is yan, amplitude is 5/2, no? So, kinuha siya dito, no? Kumbaga kinapi ko lang siya dito, no? Yan. Kinapi ko lang siya, no? So, ayan. So, yung ano niya, 5/2. And then, yung period naman niya is 2 pi over 0.25, no? Ang sagot is equals to 8 pi, no? So, ayan, 2.25, and then yung final answer natin is 2 pi. So, since dito siya kinuha, sa dyan, yan, binase ko lang siya dyan. So, di ko na to ginalaw yung itong babang yan, no? Kinapi ko na lang siya. So, yung final answer natin, no? So, simple lang. And then, thank you.